Okay, this is going to be a quick recording on the maze that you guys that you had to do for yesterday's assignment. Just give you a quick overview and do a couple example problems. Maybe it'll help you get you started, and so you can get it finished and completed today. Okay, so again, on the top of your paper, go ahead and write your sine, cosine, tangent stuff. Okay, so somewhere on here, go ahead and write your sine, cosine, tangent. Remember, your sine is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse. And your tangent is equal to opposite over adjacent. That'll help you out when you work these out. Okay? So for example, the first one says cosine of A. Okay, so the cosine of A is talking about this location right there. So if we go back and look and see that cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, let's come over here, and the adjacent to the location of angle A is this one here. That's the adjacent. Now, which one is the, and also we're looking for a hypotenuse, which is this here. So then we write cosine is equal to 27 over 45, adjacent over hypotenuse. And then when we simplify it, it becomes, and you can do it in your calculator or just simplify a fraction, it becomes 3 over 5. So then you would color that one in. So on the next one, it says, so we're going to go to the next one that we lead to. So it talks about sine of A. So if you look at sine, we deal with opposite and hypotenuse. So let's go back and do the sine of that. Okay, so the sine of the location A, and there's A right there. Okay, you find the location of the angle, because remember, it's all about the location of the angle. So sine of A is equal to, and it's opposite over hypotenuse. So the opposite is the 24, the hypotenuse is the 30. 24 over 30. And then when you simplify that, 6 goes into both, so it becomes 4 over 5. So then we color this one. Okay, let's do one more. So we have the tangent of A. So the tangent of A, and A is located right there. Okay, so the tangent is the opposite over adjacent. The opposite is the 30. The adjacent is the 16. Okay, so then we would write tangent of A, tangent of the angle, is equal to opposite of letter A, which is 30, over the adjacent of A, which is the 16. And then when you simplify that fraction, looks like 30 over 16, which actually 2 can go into both, so it'll be 15 over 8. And then we would color this one, and so on. Okay, I hope that at least gets you started on your assignment. All you have to do is basically just set up the fraction, and then you can simplify it from there. Okay, that's technically all you have to do on this particular one. Now, the assignment that you have for today, yes, you would actually have to solve to figure out what this side is equal to, what the angle is equal to, and things like that. Okay, hope that gets you going a little bit. Good luck, and I'll see you tomorrow.